I'm just sitting here and I'm contemplating a lot of things in my life. I'm like, yes, one of them has to be about kindness. People, is kindness taught or is it observed or is it something that you learn from other people? I gotta ask because I'm really worried. Um, I want to teach my kids how to be kind. I want my kids to be the kindest of people, but with limits, obviously. So I'm asking myself, how do I go about teaching my kids kindness? Because in today's world, kids, our kids, like the 2000s, they're not really kind and they're very disrespectful in that manner. And they're not very serious about anything in particular. So I want to teach my kids how to be kind. How do I go about that? How do I even begin to make my kids aware of the Shem, I've been trying to wipe my daughter off and Shem, Shem, he doesn't want to be wiped. She does not want to be wiped. I'm so hungry. I'm really hungry. Yesterday I was busy doing my hair. Half unfinished business. You will fall and no one will catch you, Shem. Uh, 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 No. 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 What are you doing? Eh, no. Lily, clap your hands. Clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, Lily. She's literally looking at her older brother. He's down at the floor and he's eating. So she's looking at him. Mhm. Lily, clap your hands. By 9 months, this girl will be walking because now she is crawling into 7 months. Lily, clap your hands. And the flu is still here. The flu is still here. And the flu is still showing us flames. People literally debate about stupid things. Why would you debate about a song that doesn't even belong to you? Lyrics that doesn't even belong to you? And then people take things so personal. Just that unfortunately you can hear what my sisters are saying. They're outside, right out my window. They're debating about a song. And the other one is taking it personal. How is that even possible? It's like they can't even have a healthy argument. They can't even have it. Everything literally personal. Time that used to be. I love you. Okay, that's painful, and you're hating me. You try to be kind of because world, Lily. You have to be kind. Be kind to me. Be kind to the strangers. And be kind to the people you meet on the road. Huh? Huh? That's how the world works, baby girl, right? You have to be kind, right? I hope 15 years down the line, you will come back to this video and you will see it. And you see mommy telling you, be kind, be kind. Oh, and be kind. Hi, Ano, are you? Hey, I'm gonna be kind, really. Mm. You know what? You have to be really kind. In man, English brother. I'm telling you, Lily, you have to be really kind and you have to be really respectful to the people you meet. All right? I don't want you to chase all the materialistic things in the world. I want you to be kind. I'm not doing it because because no go. Ah, chitran preocupação com chitran gaunu bas. Já me bambere não são bizarro. Hey, you get the kind that I'm talking about. You get it right. Nisongo bia gaunu na ni bia gaunu na lisi sera pas la tor. Nisongo bia no fara gaunu na chanda. Ni bia la sera pas. No sa. You need to be kind. Really. I know. It's gonna be tempting. You're gonna have friends, right? You're gonna have friends. I want you to also know, best friend is your mommy. You call mommy. Tell mommy anything you wanna tell mommy, right? Right? Before you go outside, before you go and tell your friends things, you come to mommy. Mommy will always have your best interest at heart. Mommy will always protect you. Mommy will forever protect you, Lily. Right? Mommy will protect you. Mommy will never. Right? Right, Lily? Right? Right? Mommy will love you. Mommy